When you don't have any remedy against the refusal of the Home Office, if the Home Office refuses your human rights application or asylum application or leave to remain, leave to enter, visit visa, FLRFP, whatever it is, if the Home Office or ILR or British nationality, if the Home Office refuses your application, then what are the remedy? Well, most of the cases, there is no appeal right. Only following the Immigration Act 2014, you have limited to appeal rights, only human rights application and asylum. However, even still, the Home Office can refuse your human rights application or the asylum case, and they can certify that you can't do appeal against the refusal of asylum claim or a human rights claim within the UK. That means you need to leave the UK and then you can appeal. That is under Section 94 of 2014 Act. So the only option to challenge the Home Office is judicial review. Now, before you go to judicial review process, you need to issue a pre-action protocol letter. This is the first stage. And many people doesn't know that you could have get better remedy than appeal or going to judicial review just by issuing a pre-action protocol. If you can draft properly a good pre-action protocol letter with content, with legal argument, with the guidelines, with the immigration law, with the decision of the Supreme Court, then the Home Office may change their position. Either will allow you your application, or they will at least give you appeal rights, or they will reconsider your decision. I have many applications issued in that where the Home Office refused and there is no appeal right, and I have sent a pre-action protocol letter, and the Home Office reconsidered positively, and the application was successful. So I'll advise you, before you go to a judicial review application, you should consider to issue a pre-action protocol letter. That is a letter before action that you will give the Home Office that, look, you wrongly, or you unlawfully, or you unreasonably, or irrationally you decide my application. This is not according to law. Therefore, I'm going to challenge your decision, your authority, by an independent court, unless you give me change your position within 14 days or within 21 days. And you need to explain in the pre-action protocol letter how the Home Office is wrong, how the Home Office is unreasonable, how the Home Office is irrational, how the Home Office is made a law not according to immigration rules or according to law, according to the decision of the Supreme Court or High Court, whatever it is, whatever applicable. And what form you need to use, that's what I'm going to show briefly. I'll introduce with the form. This is not a big form or it's a letter. It's basically Home Office already make your life easy. The Home Office already introduced and set up a form. You need to complete the form. And this is what I'm going to show you in the screen in a minute. So this is the form you need to complete. You see that in the top, pre-action protocol for judicial review, letter before claim for asylum, nationality, or immigration cases. And you need to give your details: full name, address, date of birth, nationality, application number, Home Office application number. So this is very basic information. And the important part is the details matter being challenged, the issue, and then the details action you want the Home Office want to take. That is, withdraw the decision, or allow you appeal, allow your application, or give in country right of appeal, whatever remedy you want. The details of interested party, SSHD, and if you want to give any other information further. And this is all the service issues. So the mainly you need to concentrate is the details of the matter being challenged. In this section, basically, you need to give clearly set out the details matter being challenged, particularly how the Home Office is wrong. If it is more than one, then in the issue, basically, you need to write it. And the boxes is you are seeing in small, but this is a Word document, so you can expand it. You can make it bigger, you know, as much as you can read. So in the issue section, basically, what is the issue? Whether the Home Office is wrong, whether the decision was irrational, whether the decision was unreasonable, why it is unreasonable, what is the basis, what is the authority that you are explaining that your position is that Home Office is wrong to make the decision. And then you can send it by email. This is the email, or you can post it. But I better suggest to send by email. This is the email ukp@homeoffice.gov.uk. So this is the form where you need to send to the Home Office to challenge the Home Office by way of judicial review. If you don't want to, if you don't have any appeal right. Even if you do have appeal right, but out-country right of appeal, so you can do a challenge to give in-country right of appeal. Thank you very much. This is a small video to how you can challenge the pre-action, how you can draft the pre-action protocol letter. But remember, pre-action protocol letter you need to issue within 3 months. Well, as soon as possible, I will suggest, because you have deadline to go for judicial review. Time limit is 3 months. So within this period, you need to issue the judicial review pre-action protocol letter, and clock will not start. Clock will continue, so that if you give 14 days, that 14 days should be within this 3 months, and then you can go to upper tribunal, or in High Court to challenge the Home Office. Remember, certain jurisdiction upper tribunal doesn't have, say for example, a nationality. So this jurisdiction exclusively for the High Court. So you need to make the right application in the right court. If your matter is complex, don't take this. I'll advise you to speak to a experienced lawyer and then get some advice. Pre-action protocol doesn't cost you much, but the remedy could be very high. So it sometimes is worth to go to a solicitor to get some advice and give them the work. My name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor. We have office in London and Milton Keynes, and we provide services, consultation around the UK via and whole England and work via Zoom meeting. So if you need any help, please feel free to contact with my office. The contact details appear at the bottom of the screen. This is all about today. Thank you very much.